Hello, everybody. I am so happy that you're here because we have got to talk about some sight words. Sight words are super important for a lot of different reasons. So we need to get to where we know some of these words just by looking at them. Okay, so this is our fry word list. They're sight words. And we're going to look at the first set. Okay, so we're going to start right here. The, in, he, as, at. If you didn't know any of these words, that's okay. Go back and practice them again. Ready? Okay, did you know them that time? Let's do it again. The, in, he, as, at. Okay, let's go to the next one. Of, is, was, with, be. Your turn. One more time. Of, is, was, with, be. Okay, let's look at this one. And, you, for, his, this. Your turn. One more time. And, you, for, his, this. Okay, let's see this one. A, that, on, they, have. Your turn. One more time. A, that, on, they, have. Last column. To, it, are, I, from. Your turn. One more time. To, it, are, I, from. Okay, I'm going to hover over this for just a second. And if you want to pause it and keep practicing, you go right ahead. Okay, friends, keep up the hard work.